What's poppin', Shea Butter Beauties, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I got these results after using the Natural Girls Liquid Gold on my hair, and I'm so happy to say that I am now the brand ambassador for the oil. I'm super excited, and I'm so grateful for Mrs. Smith because she made me a special formula without almond oil in it, and it is now available for everyone with a nut allergy. So I'm going to go ahead and hop into the deep conditioning part of this video, and then at the end I will give you guys my honest thoughts on this oil, and I've actually been using it since August 19th, and the growth I've seen from it is amazing. So stay tuned to the end so you can see just how much my hair has grown since using the oil. So for the purposes of today's video, I'll be using the oil as a hot oil treatment mixed with my Curlsmith deep conditioner. I've been using the oil along with the Curlsmith products since August 19th. And I actually used it on my jumbo twist out in my last video in the LOC method. So I'm super excited to see how this works as a hot oil treatment on my very itchy scalp. So I'm going to hop into the shower, wash this mess on my head, and I will be back one at a time to deep condition. I am fresh out of the shower, and now it is time to deep condition this hair. I know I look crazy with this robe and this on, but like I said, I'm fresh out of the shower. So I'm going to go in with the Curlsmith Scalp Recipe Hydro Cream Soothing Mask. That's my deep conditioner. And then I'm going to go in with the Natural Girls Liquid Gold on my scalp. So my hair is sectioned off, but I think I'm going to use this oil as a double usage. So I am going to put it, let me grab my mirror, put it directly on my scalp like so in each section. Just all around my head. And again, it does not take much. I just know my hair is thicker, so it's going to take a little more at my roots. And I'm not going to rub it in or anything. I'm just going to let it sit for the hot oil treatment. Put some on my scalp directly. Alright, so now I'm going to go section by section and apply my deep conditioner. I really played myself because I did not have any clamps in the shower, and if you know, you know. And now I have my clamps ready. I'm just going to section. This section is in 3 sections because this is a lot of hair. So I'm going to clamp each one. Normally I start with the back, but today I'm going to start with the front. So you can see how I'm doing it, and then I can just speed it up. And of course, to cleanse my hair, I use my Curlsmith Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash that I love so much. And I did not have a lot of shedding when I was cleansing my hair. So, see, I just got like these really random pieces. Gonna take it, and this deep conditioner does not take a lot either, and this is the consistency of the deep conditioner. I'm gonna take it, this is how it is. It's nice creamy, and just rub it onto my hair. And make sure you get those ends. And now I'm actually going to go back in with the oil, like 2 or 3 drops, and apply that on top of the deep conditioner because my hair needs as much TLC as it can get. And as you can see, the two of them together is making my curls pop. And this is just the deep conditioner. So I'm going to show you guys one more time on the other side of my head. Then I want to speed this up, and then we can talk about how much I love this oil. So again, just taking down my twist. Adding the deep conditioner. And I like to make sure I get it on my roots at the tip top as well, because everything needs TLC. That's your new growth, so it's not going to be as tamed as everything else. So in. And on this side, because this is my struggle side, I'm actually going to flip my hair and put it underneath as well. Grab some more oil, 2 drops. Twist this on back up. Jesus, my hair has gotten long. And now I'm just going to repeat this all over my head, and I will be back once I am done.
Look, Saturdays was everything when you from round the way. You would say a lot of things and I would soon relate. I would play a lot of days, but you know things change. Everything was everything, that's each and every day. I had to stick to my roots. Niggas changed lanes like they switched new shoes. I made my own wave, but I stayed so true. That's true to everything, can't say the same about you, for real. Ain't no stranger to money. I was raised by some hustlers, so that bread came before all the honeys. You level up, they say you acting funny. But I remember when I came up out that womb, I was alone in the tummy. When I was young, I used to look up to Tommy. They can take care of his mama, they love him. I know they wish that I fumbled, but it's tucked up and killed for the hunger. Feel.
Alright y'all, so I've applied the deep conditioner and the Natural Girls Liquid Gold on my scalp and on my hair, and I am so loving the results, the definition that I'm getting just from the deep conditioner and oil mix. This deep conditioner actually has hyaluronic acid, cedarwood, lavender, green tea, thyme, and smashed amla in it. So this is actually a very hydrating and soothing mask in itself. But with this oil, I can actually tell a difference. I've used this before and did not feel as much hydration and tingling on my scalp as I do with the oil being in it. So this is a very good combination in my opinion. But I will be back once my hair is completely done so we can discuss how amazing this oil is.
So tell our homies to text me your phone and leave you alone and stay in their zone. Cause every time you get the tagging along, you be thinking that I'm doing you wrong. I'm adjusting to me being at home, not really social, but I'm chasing my goals. You point the finger, then you know I'm on go. You saying leave, you really mean no. You all I need, girl, you all I know.
So this is my hair days after I washed it, and I'm honestly seeing a difference. So for my jumbo twist out, which you saw in my previous video, I use the oil itself on my scalp as well as the length of my hair. The definition was crazy. The growth that I received, because I had all those parts, I could still moisturize my scalp easily and get that hair growth going. But for this particular style, being that I used it in my deep conditioner and on my scalp, I did not want to put it on the length of my hair just to see if there's a difference, and there is. My scalp feels great. I had zero itching, and my scalp has been giving me issues for a little while now. And I had zero issues after I had my hot oil treatment with this oil. My hair feels amazing. It's still super moisturized when you touch it. It's not as defined as it normally would be, and it's also not as defined as it is when I put the oil on the length of my hair. But my hair still feels really soft, and I still think it's really cute. And if you've been paying attention to my Instagram, which you should be following, by the way, at NaturalHair, you can see the difference in my hair. Even if you go watch previous videos, my hair is definitely bigger. This is day one hair. My hair is never this big on day one. So I can tell my hair is more voluminous. There's less frizz when using the oil, and there is less shedding. I was very surprised by the amount of shedding that I did not have after using this oil. So I'm very happy about that. But I'm going to share the different benefits of this oil with you guys. So I have it in my notes to make sure I don't miss anything. Okay, so first things first, you can use this oil all over your head. You can use it on your scalp only if you choose to, or you can use it on the length of your hair. The choice is definitely yours, but I would say to use it all over and on your scalp. So you can use it as a hot oil treatment with your deep conditioner, which is what you guys saw. I'm so happy I did that because my scalp feels so good. My scalp feels amazing. It feels refreshed. I can feel the tingling. Well, I could feel the tingling from the oil when I used it on my scalp, and I honestly can feel it now because I just took my hair down and I applied oil to my hands and then took my hair down, and I've been rubbing my scalp and it just feels so good. Another thing is hair growth. I've been using this oil since August 19th, 2020. My hair grew, especially around the edges, after only two weeks of using the oil, and I was amazed. The jumbo twist out from my last video, I could not even wear that simply because the growth was insane. It was just great. So you can also use it as a moisturizer in the LOC method. So I personally put on my leave-in, put the oil on it, put the cream on it, and then put the oil back on top of that, just to make sure I was locking in all of that moisture that I had just put into my hair. Or you can do the LCO method where you do the leave-in, the cream, then the oil. The choice is completely yours. And I also have been using it on my protective styles. So if I do a twist out and I have enough parts, I'll simply rub it on each part, and I can see the growth as the days go on, and I just love it so much. And it definitely does help with an itchy scalp. So I've been having scalp issues for like a month now. After using this as a hot oil treatment, that is gone. I have not had any scratching issues. It's not itchy. It doesn't feel dry. My scalp just feels rejuvenated, and it feels amazing. So you can use this oil for just about anything. Hot oil treatments on your scalp for growth, for extra added moisture. Even though water is the #1 moisturizer, this oil does have different oils in it that are going to help lock in the moisture and seal in the moisture that you added to your hair, as well as provide extra moisture to make sure your hair is not going to dry out badly. I highly recommend this oil for anybody. You are someone who just big chopped your hair and you want your hair to grow quickly, this oil will be your best friend. The packaging of this, I absolutely love it. This gold Listen, the gold accent is my favorite, but this matte black finish on the bottle is everything. And then the dropper itself is just so cute. It's like a circular end, so it's not easy to, drop in oil. You have to use the dropper, and I love that so much. And I'm so happy to say that I am an ambassador for the oil, and you can use my 10% off code NaturallyMarche. I actually do use this oil. I have evidence that I actually use the oil. You see it in this video, and if you look on my Instagram, you will see it there. But thank you guys so very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you decide to try out the oil, please let me know in the comment section below, or we can chat on my Instagram. Peace out, beauties. And remember, you are beautiful and your hair is unique to you. Bye.